different technologies related to AI. The advances in technology is blurring the boundaries between reality and illusion. There are 4 types of synthetic reality, which are VR, AR, MR, and XR. People often get confused about it being the part of artificial intelligence. Let us now understand each one of them and the difference between them. VR. This famous term is abbreviation of virtual reality. It is used extensively in the gaming world to give user the feeling of real in the digital world. In VR, everything is created digitally, or it can also include 360-degree footages of natural environments or a mix of both. You experience something without really experiencing it. VR allows the user to experience the virtual world using different gadgets and sounds. VR also uses 3D sounds to make the experience more real. Hardware requirements for VR. The hardware requirement for virtual reality is head-mounted displays such as Google Cardboard or HTC Vive, which provide realistic experience. AR.
AR stands for augmented reality. It adds digital elements to a live view, often by using the camera on a smartphone. For example, augmented reality experiences include Snapchat lenses, Google Translate, and the game Pokemon Go.
Hardware requirement of experiencing augmented reality. A computer, memory 1 GB free memory, Windows 7 and above, dedicated graphics card, webcam, or a smartphone with AR dedicated app. Examples of AR in real life. A. Pokemon Go. It is probably the biggest AR-driven app. In this game, you walk around the real world, but with the computer graphics laid over the top. When you catch a Pokemon, it is actually through your device camera while you are looking at it.
In the game, the Pokestops are the real-world landmarks depicted on the map.
B. Retail shops. Retailer IKEA created an AR app that helps shoppers visualize what certain products will look like in their home before they purchase them. Thus, we can say that augmented reality is simply a combination of virtual reality and actual reality. MR. It stands for mixed reality. It combines elements of both AR and VR, real world and digital object. Microsoft HoloLens is one of the most notable MR apparatus. Hardware requirement for mixed reality experience. In order to experience mixed reality, an MR headset is used. MR headsets offer a holographic experience through translucent glasses or an immersive experience. Mixed reality products. Some mixed reality products that are currently available include Microsoft HoloLens, Acer Windows Mixed Reality, Lenovo Explorer, and Samsung Odyssey. It is the gesture, gaze, voice recognition technology through a pair of motion controllers or through the MR headset that helps deliver a believable mixed reality experience. Construction companies use HoloLens at various phases, right from hand-free access to blueprints, remote support, 3D model overlays, architecture design review, etc. XR. It stands for extended reality.
It is an umbrella term that covers all of the various technologies that enhance our senses, whether they are providing additional information about the actual world or creating totally unreal simulated worlds for us to experience. It includes virtual reality VR, augmented reality AR, and mixed reality MR technologies.
Hardware requirements of XR. To experience XR, the required equipments are a headset, a remote, and a computer system to run XR programs. IoT. It stands for Internet of Things. It describes the interconnected objects or physical things that are embedded with sensors, software, and other technologies to exchange data with other devices and systems over Internet. The IoT brings the power of the Internet data processing and analytics to the real world of physical objects. Hardware requirement of IoT. IoT-enabled devices, sensors, smartphone, Wi-Fi. Application of IoT. Smart houses where various appliances are connected with one another via Internet and can be remotely controlled over a smartphone. 3D printing. Three-dimensional 3D printing is an additive manufacturing process that creates a physical object from a digital design. The process works by laying down thin layers of material in the form of liquid or powdered plastic, metal, or cement, and then fusing the layers together. Hardware requirements. 3D printer, a computer system, a supportive app like CAD, application of 3D printer, personalized dolls, 3D printed toys, customized gifts, jewelry, etc. Comparing these technologies. Let us now compare all these technologies under same parameters. Parameter, technology, hardware, software. real-world applications, related image. VR. User leaves the real world and enters into fully digital environment. A computer tracking device, input device, sensory devices. 3D computer graphics, tracking technology, sound processing technology, etc. Military, sport, mental health, education, and fashion, etc. AR. Virtual objects are superimposed onto the real world. Smartphone devices with camera, microphone, etc. Software capable of projecting computer-generated objects into real world. Retail shops, repair and maintenance, business, logistic, tourism industries, etc. MR. Virtual objects are placed in the real world. A computer mixed reality headset like HoloLens and supportive hardware. Windows mixed reality needs Windows 10. Design, entertainment, military training, remote working. IoT. Physical objects are connected and share data through internet. Dedicated hardware devices that can connect physical world with the interface. IoT device management software. Smart house, smart barcode readers, connected healthcare systems, IoT connected factories, etc. 3D printing. It creates a physical object from a digital design. A computer with 3D graphics card, a 3D printer.
A computer with 3D graphics card and a 3D printer.
Software that provides seamless integration between its platform and 3D printer. Making jewelry, dolls, toys, art articles, consumable art like 3D chocolates, etc. XR. These devices are created to enhance our senses. Headgear, remotes, and capable systems. 3D computer graphics, tracking technology, sound processing technology, etc. Mental health, education, and fashion, etc. Influence of AI-based movies on mankind. The AI-based movies have got huge influence on how people perceive certain topics and issues. Movies have played a starring role in bringing AI into the public consciousness. These are the common statements people often make after watching such movies. Artificial intelligence will automate everything and put people out of work. AI is a science fiction technology. Robots will take over the world.